Okay, now that you have it printed, first thing you want to do is take a spatula and start freeing this end down here. It shouldn't be very difficult to break loose. Always wear safety goggles when you're doing this, otherwise you can hurt yourself. So after you get it freed about to this region here, you should be able to start to break it loose. It should break pretty easily. You may have to clean some debris off around it. That's normal with any printing you can do. And there you have it. That's how you get the plastic off. After the plastic's all off, you want to take and you want to push this down and push this up. Down and up. Down and up. What you're doing is you're getting rid of any debris in here to make sure that this functions well before you put a socket on it. You want to use a normal socket and push over it and push the socket down. What you're doing is you're freeing the ball, because the ball has a little bit of support inside here, and so once that's freed, you see the socket doesn't come off, and you can pop it off. Again, make sure you break this part loose first before you ever put the socket on. Okay, so once this is loose, you can see this is spinning free now, and you can see it's not doing anything. It's spin free. So now we need to break this part loose. I suggest using some large pliers. These are large wire cutters, but they work as large pliers. And what you want to do is you just want to wiggle it. You don't want to put too much pressure on it until it breaks loose. Okay, once it's broken loose, you'll be able to put it into place. Now initially it will be difficult because you have to, again, break loose any bits of debris that was inside here during your print and get it functioning.